Welcome back, guys. So right now we've created the home page, which is looking all good. This is what the home page looks like right now. You could just edit the text and all that. We don't have all the time, but you, as you're creating it on your mobile phone, you could do all the tweaking. Just follow it as an assignment for you. Do all the tweaking and use generative AI to refine whatever you want to refine, just by giving it a simple interaction. Yeah. So let's proceed right now. But it will be more beneficial for you to learn HTML. If you learn HTML, you understand how to prompt by using custom code and generative AI to create a website using your mobile phone. So coming back here, I'm going to go back to a new page. We are done with our home page, and the next page we are going to work on is the About Us page. So I'll click on the About Us page and I'll use edit button. I'll use the edit button to edit it, and here's the About Us page currently. And we're going to do the same. We're going to make sure the About Us is not showing. Yes, I'm going to close that. I'm going to close the eyes. You know what that is. I've shown you what that means. So I closed the eye. That's what I just did. And that's what we're having right now. So we have the About Us page. I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this right now, and you could see from here. Let me just open it so that we can preview it. So I'll open the About Us page. So we have the home page, and now we're going to the About Us page. You could see the About Us page is currently empty. So we proceed right now. So right here, we want to use the chat GPT to prompt our About Us. So I would say create the About Us for this page. I'll still continue with that code session. So easily you can create a website in no time. So these are simple processes of creating a website. And most especially, you need to create a static website for businesses. Most businesses need a static website. You can go ahead to create a static website for them using this method. So let's proceed right now. So to proceed, I will say create the About Us page. Yes, create the About Us page for this website for AIPSDS. Okay, for AAIPSDS. Let the About Us have five sessions, and let it feature the mission, vision, core values, testimonials, contact us, address, address, call to action. Okay, so let's see what this will be. So I just gave it a brief description. So let's prompt this and let's see what the About Us page would be like. So right now, this is being prompted, and all I have to do is to come back to my WordPress to make sure the code platform is ready. So I will click on the plus icon. You could remember vividly, I showed you. I said you click on the plus icon to add a custom HTML. So I'm going to click on that right now. So I'll click on the plus icon and I'll scroll down right here to use the custom HTML menu. So I'm going to use what this is. This is custom HTML. That's what I want to use right now. So I'm going to use custom HTML, and this will input the code. So let's go right away to our chat GPT to do that. So this is my chat GPT, and it just is prompting a code for the About Us. So we're going to wait for that to happen already, and when it happens, we'll be able to like use the code to create an About Us page, and that's what I just did. So I'm going to copy this right now. So sessions are different divisions of your code, so I'm going to copy it. So sessions are different division of your website. So you could see from here, these are About Us looking blank. I'll show you what the 5 sessions means. So I'm going to paste the HTML code right here, and that I just did. So you're going to preview and you're going to see the About Us. So look at what the About Us looks like. So what it means to have 5 sessions is that this is a session. So this is a session one. Then you would see more sessions. So let me just come right here. This is a second session two. So you see this is a second session two. Yes. So what it means, I have 2 sessions right there, and this is the third session. So let me show you what the third session is. The third session ends here. So that's the third. Yes. And let me show you the fourth session. Then this is the fourth session. So that's my definition of 5 sessions. So this is the fourth sessions, and the very last session is this, which is the call to action. This is the last session. So that's what it means to have 5 sessions of a website. So your pages do have elements and sessions. So right now we are right here in the home page, and it's looking in the about us page, and it's looking great. So all I have to do is to save this, use this save button to save what I just did. So I'm going to save that, and I'm going to come refresh it. So you could go ahead to edit this code, and I've shown you how to edit codes, how to edit HTML codes. So you go ahead to edit it, or you find it with your ChatGPT. So you could do more yourself. You could go ahead to do more with this. So I'm going to just refresh this right now, and this is the about us page. Look at what it looks like. So right now the whole page is looking great, and this is what the about us looks like. Our mission and vision is just a simple static page for simple website, so you could build it for different businesses. And as you could see, we have all this, so you could change all the text if you don't want it. Then we have contact us. Then if you want it to be more design, if you want to include images in your website, all you have to do is to ask for images, and you have to fix that yourself. You have to start looking for how to input an image and all that. But currently this is it. If you want to learn more about HTML, I've told you where to learn more about HTML. So currently we just built an about us page with this. So you could go ahead to edit from your code dashboard. So you could come back to your HTML to see how to edit. As you could see, we have the about us. So you could see the title from here. Look at the title from here. This is the about us title. You could see the title says about us AI PSDS. Look at it right here. So that's what titles are. So you could see it from this code as well. The about us AI PSS is in between the title tags, and this is the closing tags, and that's the opening tag. So we have that. Like I said, every of your content is within the body tag. So what that try means is that anything you want to edit is always within this body tag. But currently, when you see a cooling bracket like this, when you see a cooling bracket, that's CSS. You don't touch it, because CSS is your layout, your color, your text. Those ones, your text font, your choice of text, your choice of color, everything, which I've given the directives from the front, but you won't touch on any of that. So I'll come down right here to look for the body that has the actual HTML. So right now we have the body right here. Like I said, you only have to edit the body part. So this is the body right here. So your editing should start from this opening and closing tab. Then we are going to do all that. You can see this is the body, and the body has a closing tag. So let's look at the closing tag. So I could perfect this. So you could see everything in between that opening body and this closing body could be edited. They are all text here. So that's the closing body. When you see a slash before the name of the tag, that means it's a closing tag. So you could see it right here too. It closes here, it closes here. You could see it closes the h3 here. So those are tags. So if you want to know more about this, you have to learn HTML, like I said. So we could go on and on to edit the page, and you could see we have a John Doe from the testimonial. So we could change the John Doe. You could just say beloved Adejigbe. So I'll just show you how to edit text. So I'll say beloved Adejigbe, and that I just did. Once I refresh, it's going to show right there. So beloved Adejigbe, and this place I'll name it beloved. Beloved. Yes, so I'll just save this right now. I'm going to save it right now, and I'm going to have it refreshed. So let me have this refreshed. You will see that my text has been changed. As you could see beloved Adigbe right here. So those are how to edit. So beloved Adigbe is right here, beloved is right there. So this is not a perfect website, I know. I'm just showing you tricks to create a website from your mobile phone, and that's what I just did. I hope to see in the next lesson where we'll talk about how to build the service page. Then we proceed. So we built a lot of pages with HTML custom code, and we're still going to go ahead to build the very last one, which is the service page. Then we're going to come back to arrange our menu. We're going to talk about different settings on WordPress before we proceed to the next. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.